Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ainsley Feuer with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2009. British private equity firm Candover has reduced the value of its portfolio by 50%. According to the Financial Times, it will not pay a final dividend and is in talks with investors about shrinking the €3 billion fund it raised last year. The move comes as the firm wrote down about 33% of its investments to zero, including Gala Coral, Ferretti, DX Group, Hilding Anders, and Innovia Films. Staying with hedge fund news, Liongate Capital Management is planning to raise $500 million for a fund of commodity hedge funds. According to Bloomberg, the Liongate Commodities Fund, which operated with the firm's capital of $40 million, completed its first year of trading in January. The fund invests mainly in mid-size hedge funds specializing in certain commodity sectors, such as precious metals, oil, or sugar. And in more hedge fund news, Lazard has lifted restrictions on LFCM holdings, which had previously prevented Lazard from making private equity investments in North America. According to Reuters, the amended agreement has reduced the price of Lazard's option to buy the North American fund management activities of Lazard Alternative Investments. Under the agreement, Lazard will not contend with LFCM's alternative investment business during the life of the option. And in other hedge fund news, an executive at 3i Group said private equity investors are being offered stakes in Indian companies as hedge funds and banks seek to divest assets. According to Bloomberg, 3i has poured more than $2 billion into Asia since 2006, and last month invested $161 million in Krishnapatnam Port Companies Limited, its third infrastructure investment in the nation. Initial share sales by Indian companies fell 46% to 183 billion rupees, or $3.5 billion in 2008, making it harder for private equity investors, banks, and hedge funds to cash out their investments. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Hedge Funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.